Hi everybody, it's Stella. I'm back with another video for the instructors, and in this video, I'll be explaining how to customize your weekly summary emails. To access the notification settings, click on your name on the top right corner of the page. Then, select Profile. Next, click on Notification Preferences on the left. To turn on your weekly summary emails, check the empty box. And now, you'll be able to customize the frequency and contents of your emails. Select which day you prefer to be notified, and don't forget to set a time. Personally, I like to receive updates at the end of the week, so I'll leave the date set on Friday, but I want to adjust the time to 3 p.m. The weekly summary emails include updates on the project completion average and the status of teams. You can also mention any new alerts as well as remind you of any unread messages. By default, all the boxes are pre-checked, so adjust what you wish to receive notifications for based on your preferences. Once you're done customizing your weekly summary emails, the changes will automatically save. Now, you'll receive an email update from Insightful once a week, and it might look something like this. And there you have it. That's how you customize your weekly summary emails on Insightful. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, or leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.